Is a metal roof noisy when it rains? The simple answer is no. Quality metal roofing is no noisier in the rain than asphalt roofing. A metal roof may have a different tone than asphalt, but it's not louder. Now, for you nerds out there, here's the scientific answer. Sound is caused by vibration, so when a metal object vibrates, it makes a sound. We often think of metal roofing on old barns or shacks, and a metal roof on an old barn makes noise because the metal panels are loose and free to vibrate. However, the metal panels that make up an American metal roof are secured to your roof deck with dozens of hidden fasteners. These fasteners prevent excess vibration in the panels, which in turn minimizes any noise caused by rain falling on your roof. So our metal roofs are not excessively noisy. As a matter of fact, several of our customers have written to tell us that they love the sound of their metal roof in the rain.